I already know you've seen and heard about the World Cup everywhere on the internet for the past few weeks, especially on short-form platforms. Goals, reactions, crazy moments, storyline edits, they are literally everywhere. And if you were to look at their channels, you'd find that they are going more and more viral and are making serious money from it. Well, the good news is you are not late. It's only the middle of July, and the main tournament still has a lot of unused content to go. So you've got plenty of time to get your channel up and running. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. See, the World Cup only comes around once every 4 years, which means that billions of people suddenly start watching football, even people that don't normally care about it. That creates one of the biggest opportunities on YouTube Shorts, because the demand for football content absolutely explodes. Now, I know some guys gonna be like, but isn't football footage copyrighted? That's exactly what I want to talk about first, because this is probably the biggest thing that changed this World Cup. YouTube and FIFA have announced a partnership, which means that the official FIFA World Cup highlights are being uploaded directly to YouTube extremely quickly after the matches take place. That's great for creators, because finding high quality footage is easier than it's ever been. It doesn't mean you should just re-upload highlights, because that's not original content. What it does mean though is that because of the new partnership, YouTube obviously will push this content out way more, as you've seen these past few days. And creating commentary videos, storyline edits, reactions, and transformative content has become so much easier, since the official clips are right there for you to work with. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. Open another YouTube tab right now. Search FIFA World Cup. The first thing you're gonna see is an archive of every major match in full quality, usually only hours after the game finishes. Compare that to the previous years where everyone was desperately looking for random clips online with terrible quality, so this was a big help from YouTube to the creators. And that's exactly the strategy we're gonna use for finding our videos. We're gonna look for sensitive or crucial moments that grab everyone's attention, like a last-minute goal, a shocking moment, a huge miss, controversial referee decision, a good build-up to a goal. These go viral every single time. The easiest place to find them, of course, is the official FIFA highlights. But another tip you can use is you go to the FIFA Shorts tab because they post everything there as well. Scroll around until you find something interesting. Grab the name of the match, search for it, find that exact moment, and boom. There you have your base footage. You can also grab the short directly, but these are usually like 10 seconds long, so there's not much you can do with that. Another thing I would recommend is checking YouTube Shorts right after big matches. Search something like World Cup moments or World Cup shorts and look at what's already getting views. It's not copying if it's an official match. Just take the idea and do it yourself. Also, a big thing in this World Cup has been goalkeeper hero stories, so keep an eye out for that. Think of stuff like that so you can get some banger ideas, and trust me, once you start, you'll see these opportunities as clear as day. Now, once you've got your clip ideas, the next massive hurdle is turning them into an actual video, before the hype dies down. If you're out here switching between 5 different web apps just to get a voiceover, generate a script, find sound effects, or add subtitles, you've already lost the race. This is exactly why I use Filmora. Instead of bouncing around multiple programs, everything from your initial idea to the final asset is sitting right there inside one timeline. Let's say you want to add an AI-generated thumbnail scene or custom graphic to illustrate a point. Filmora has access to AI models right inside the app, where you can test different styles like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, Pro, or 2, and see which looks the cleanest. Once you've generated said images, you can even turn them into videos right inside the platform. If you want to add a US-style voiceover for a broader, higher RPM reach, you don't need to record anything yourself. You can just use the text-to-speech tool, tweak the tone and delivery style, and let features like auto-loudness normalization or the AI voice enhancer handle the mix. Our best use of this software for the World Cup Shorts is actually the editing and pacing. We can use Filmora's auto captions to generate customizable subtitles instantly with just one click. After that, we can also use the audio library to add the sound effects, but I'll get in depth of all of this in the editing part. Big shout out to Filmora for being our partner for this video, because their all-in-one workflow is a lifesaver for Shorts creators. So now, onto the editing. Alright, cool. Now, once you've imported all your material, we are going to start the editing process. We're first gonna start with the hard cuts, so let me do that real quick and you can follow along. We'll change the aspect ratio so it fits a vertical screen. You can either use 4:5 or 16:9. Either way, they both fit a vertical screen. I'll go for 4:5 because that way I can fit more content on screen. Alright, cool. Now that you have your video in vertical mode, let's place it in the vertical layout. Now we are going to apply the same scale to the other videos. Now we're going to keyframe Messi so he's always in frame. Select position to add in a keyframe. Now we can track it to the players by using the keyframe function on Filmora. Now we're going to add the commentary using Filmora's built-in text-to-speech feature. We're going to select our voice for our voiceover.
Wondershare. Creativity simplified.
This sounds perfect for the job needed. Now we're going to write the lines for the voiceover in this text box right here. Nobody expected 40-year-old Messi to do this. Does this settle the GOAT debate? Now hit generate. Wait for a while, and your voiceover should be ready to use.
Nobody expected 40-year-old Messi to do this. Does this settle the GOAT debate?
Okay, sounds good. Now to use it. Now drag the audio where you want it and remove the text box. Now for a stronger visual hook, you want to add in a blur effect at the end of the sentence. Perfect, the visual hook now looks great. Great, now let's keep going. Now for a real game changer, we can use the AI Enhance feature on Filmora. This can be used if the clips appear to be blurry or low quality. So select the Generative AI Enhance button and click on Generate. Now wait for a while for Filmora to do its thing. After using the Generative AI Enhancer function, here's what your video should look like. If you want to make it quicker, you can select the regular enhance button, but it won't be as good. Now we can continue adding the special effects, player arrows, and other fancy stuff. To add in the player arrow, add a triangle asset from the Filmora library. Flip the triangle and fit it to the scale you desire. Now add in the text above the triangle. Scale it up and place it right above the triangle. Now we can stretch the triangle a bit. Then make a copy and write the other players' names. Continue doing this for all players. Now we're going to create a compound clip of the arrow and the name. Now we can track it to the players by using the keyframe function on Filmora. Just move it to the player's head and select position to add in a keyframe. Now follow the player's movements and the keyframe should be automatically applied. Now do the same but with a circle asset from the stickers tab. Same thing as before, just use the position keyframe. Let's take a look at what we just made. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna add in a blur effect at the scoreboard. And we'll add in the text for the commentary. Just add a blur layer and add a mask. You want to make sure you blur the scoreboard throughout the entire match or parts of it. Now add in the text box. Now keep doing this throughout the video. Now the text effect of the voiceover.
Nobody
Fix it up a little bit.
expected 40-year-old Messi to do this. Nobody expected 40-year-old Messi to do this.
The hook looks good now.
Does this settle the GOAT debate?
Song, the ball hitting sound, correct and incorrect buzzers, and the typing effects. Go into the sounds tab to find the sounds needed. And then down below, make them fit the scenario. Now we add in the correct and incorrect buzzer filters.
Toujours par trouver. Elle dit qu'il n'est jamais vrai.
Same thing for the incorrect filter, just in red. After doing all that, we can finally export the video.
Nobody expected 40-year-old Messi to do this. Does this settle the GOAT debate?
Now the video looks great, we can move on to publishing. Now here's something people massively underestimate. Speed. During big events like the World Cup, timing is very important. You want your video out while everyone isn't used to it yet, because we know how saturated this niche gets with a simple idea. Stay consistent. One video might get 5,000 views, but the next one might get 5 million. You genuinely don't know. Real quick, I don't sell a course, but if you want to surround yourself with like-minded people, we do have a Discord community where you can join, where you can learn how to make money through YouTube Shorts, where we share ideas, give feedback, and help each other improve. All the info you're gonna need about Filmora is gonna be in the description down below. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, here's probably the best advice I can give to you. Just make videos. Improve with every upload, stay consistent, and don't listen to random people who tell you that this niche isn't worth it and this niche isn't monetizable, etc. YouTube cares about original commentary, and as long as you put in the time in editing and making commentary during the video, just let the tournament work in your favor and make some YouTube money. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you found value in this video, and see you in the next one.